At some point, I thought, hey man, what is going on? Are we looting? What are we doing now? Is it an unrest? What's going on in a country? What's going on? Boom. Sweet Guluva's people, bro. This is the Sweet Guluva people, bro. Check this video out, man. And don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.